Haga jimpeteng benwat ibasya telep haga jingtua kendau hanong priang haga lai pui teruk jumang arjar pusau kwa kenhun jang search and rescue team SRT jang fire and emergency service state disaster response force SDRF kilayo bansei ya kamediap Lumlang riat tam khandus nam kerta dagani ke jinyo sei ya kamediap Lumlang menta kasi bat ke jongba pisar nongrom nyau puars nam kerta haka lai pui teruk jumang arjar pusau kibdang syap tep hadu bapelat yakani ke khubor kilong sau pa bat ke kmie Lumlang katau bak kan mau sengai nyu pu arsnam bat ke kong denti retam nrip husnam kerta udupti komisioner ka is ka sales USC sadhu da ka bayathu bayakani kamediap Lumlang lalap hakapol mestap ulong bak jingwat ikini kibdang saptem kadang ya chachan nalor kani udupti komisioner ulai thu baki bahyeng jongki bal khlat hakate ke jingja kinyo mar saulak tingka ka jingïarap nak bantai wei pe wei baklat kuman chukodo basau ngut kibrio bakan thop na artli kilong yeng kiladu e la ka jingem ha ka step ka lai pho trik jumang arjar pusau ha ka te ka snong hatien ka jingtwa khando ka bajur kala ja ha ka por step snia kumba ha ka por arbje ma step.
So landslide incident in Sorkar subdivision, in fact it's very unfortunate that 4 people were trapped, and so far 2 bodies could be recovered by our team, and our team from both the fire and emergency services and from SDRF, and including our teams from subdivision are there at this location, and they are trying hard to ensure that because there was a big boulder which caused this landslide, to remove it so that other bodies also can be recovered. So the efforts are still going on.
So any financial assistance?
Yes, in fact the financial assistance as a part of in the form of ex gratia to the next of kin will be transferred immediately, that is 4 lakhs per victims.
Habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi bana kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya